Hey folks, for the month of November, I'm going to be doing a live stream every single Thursday at 6 p.m. It gets dark around that time, this time of year, and darker as we go towards the winter solstice. But I've got a little bit more time on my hands now as things kind of slow down as we go into winter. And I thought it would be a great time to share thoughts, answer questions, and help you guys prepare for what I believe is an economic storm happening. I think I'm starting to see a lot more signs locally that things are changing and economic conditions are not improving. And so I think, and I've been saying this for years, but I think right now there's never been a better time to get on the land and start using those skills that you have or learning them on the land, growing your own food, producing your own energy, getting your own water, whatever it might be. I want to help you do it. So every Thursday at 6 p.m. Pacific time, we're going to be doing a live stream. So I'll just repost this video each week. But yeah, leave your questions and comments below, and I look forward to hearing from you. If you guys liked that video and you want to see more about this or you're interested in the Homestead Accelerator, there'll be a link in this video or down below. Check it out. See you in the next one.